Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to write cursive writing A to Z. Now start work. We will write A like this. The next letter is B like this. What comes after B? C. The next letter is, make a tail like this. The next letter is E. The next letter is F. What comes after F? G. H. I. J. This is J. After J, there is K. This is K. The next letter is L. What comes after L? M. This is M. After M, there is N. After N, we are going to write O. Then, after O, there is P. Like this. After P, there is Q. Make a joining line. After Q, there is R. There's again a tail. What comes after R? S. Like this. Again, there's a joining tail. After S, there is T. T. After T, there is U. This is U. After U, there is V. There is V. After V, there is W. Like this. X. Start writing like this. This is X. Now there is U. After X there is Y. Y. The last letter is Z. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the end. Thank you.